Hi guys, welcome back to Bridesociety. Today I'm showing you two different ways to fold your napkins to create these little pockets for your cutlery. You can use fabric napkins like I have with these linen ones, or with paper serviettes. Either works absolutely fine. I've put timestamps in the description box below if you want to skip ahead to one of the designs. If you like this content, please remember to hit like and subscribe at the end of the video. So first up, I'm going to show you how to make this simple pocket for your cutlery. So lay out your napkin. If you've got seams or a tag, you want those to start face down. So first of all, you're going to fold the bottom up to the top, and then fold it halfway back down on itself. Then you're going to turn this whole thing over. Then you're going to take this left-hand side and fold it in towards the center. And then just repeat over the end. So you flip it over again and flip it over again. And there you have it. Next up, I'm going to show you how to make this angled cutlery pocket. So I've opened my napkin back out. Again, seams face down, tag side face down. First of all, you want to fold up the bottom of the napkin to the top. Then you're going to fold this right hand side all the way over to the left hand side. Then I'm going to take just this top corner, top left hand corner, and fold it down to the bottom right hand corner. And then going to turn this whole thing over. And then I'm going to take my right hand side and fold it into a third. Okay. And then I'm going to take the left hand side and fold it across again. And just tuck this bottom bit into this flap you've created. So nestle it in, turn it back over, and there you go.